Hi everyone and hello, welcome. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a Christmas stocking in Kumihimo form. So I've cut the strings, the measurements are on the screen, and those half strings are going to be, I'm going to put them to be like in the middle and then I'll fold it. So you have tiny ends sticking out of one side, which I'll now like put into my loop. And the loop will be made with the extended green string. So you can see those tiny strings, those are the half strings. It's only going to be one white and one red half strings, then the rest. So to make a loop, you need to find the middle of your strings, then hold that middle, maybe move a little bit to the other side, to the left side, hold the middle, then use the extended green string and make a D, which is the backward knot I just finished making. Then we're going to make the forward knot, which is like four, letter four, number four, and then pull. Then I'll show it to you again. Make a D, capital D, that's the backward part. And now we'll make the four. So I'm just going to continue doing this till I get to what you can see here. It's like 1.5 inches. When I fold it in half, I will be able to fit my ties through it. So now that I'm done, I'm not going to hold both sides together, both sides of the loop together, take that same green string and make a backward forward knot over all the strings to make it cinch up. So now that we're done with that, the next step is for us to arrange all the strings on our Kumihimo discs. Now my Kumihimo disc was gotten from AliExpress, but I have a link to the Amazon that if you want, I will give it to you on your request. But you can see my disc already has like numbers and stuff, so I'm going to be starting from one. And I'm going to be arranging it exactly according to what's on the left part of the screen. So we'll put two green strings first, then I'll count two spaces and then put the next two strings. So we're leaving two spaces, two empty spaces in between each. This is a 32-bit disc, just letting you guys know. And I had to go back, so I'll tell you guys this, that I mistakenly left an extra space in between my one and two, as you can see. So I'm going to go back and correct that later. So you don't have to copy me when I'm doing that. That was a mistake that I would correct. Well, the future me will correct. Now, something I forgot to mention is that those tiny strings, those green and white strings, please make sure you keep them in the middle of the bracelet. That's where they should be. And you can choose to add something like weights, maybe a keychain or something to the back of the Komimo. That's the loop. I don't really do that because I just pull it when I'm ready. So now I'm just going to quickly snip it. I left about an inch of the string, of both strings left. I'm only cutting it so I don't have to hold it. And then you can just continue without it. You can choose to completely cut it off. I'm not going to. So now the Komihimo just has three steps. You take the top right down, and then you take the bottom left up. Then you turn. Now we'll take number two, that's top right down. Then take a turn, bottom left up. Is that 18 or 17? Sorry. Then you turn anti-clockwise. Then you take top right down, bottom left up. Top right down, bottom left up, then turn. Top right down, bottom left up. So we just have those three steps. And then there's the occasional fourth step that happens maybe after every two or three. I do it after like six, but that's not what's supposed to be recommended. Where you put one string down, so you have three down, and then you untangle your strings. I will show you that in a while, so don't worry about it. Just continue with the same motions. Top right down, bottom left. So like I told you, I'm just going to turn, then put the top right down, and I'm going to untangle all my strings. So I do this by pulling them out in threes. So you pull the first one out, pull the second one out, and that's basically you just continue pulling until you don't have any more tangles. Like everything is free and easier for you to make more turns. If you don't untangle your strings regularly, you will be left with a big knot in your kumihimo, which will not let you continue to like pick up and move strings to different positions. Then you have to cut your strings, and that's a process you don't want to know. So anyway, leaving the strings down also is if you want to take a break, you have three strings on one side, so that's the bottom half, and you just have to continue from there. I do not show you how to end this. I will leave a video for you if you would like to see how you end your bracelet, just in case you do not know. Sorry, and hope you enjoyed this so far. And sadly, we've come to the end of the tutorial for today. It was supposed to be very easy and short, just my way of saying Merry Christmas to everyone. Merry Christmas, everyone. Hope you guys have a lovely day and lovely Christmas. At the same time, hope you guys spend a lot of time with your loved ones. Or me, anyone. Thank you for watching, and bye.